Alright, so what's going on, everyone? So today we're going to be doing a review video on Beat Kicks. That is the company's name, and the Instagram name is going to be right here. It's called Protect Your Kicks. I'm going to be having everything linked to the description box below. So moving forward, let's name, or rather yet, talk about what it is. So it's essentially covers for your headphones. I feel like it's definitely better than replacing the whole thing. And let's move on to why I believe it is and is essential for people that use it heavily like me, or anyone that uses headphones in general. So number one, the diversity. You're able to use it on both Go Handy, Sony, and Beats, whether it's studio or solo like myself. I get it, because I'm solo, single. But moving forward, it's more of a long-term use than you can actually imagine. It's made of polyester and spandex, so you can definitely throw it in washing and, or hand wash it, whatever you want to do. It's definitely going to be worth the long-term investment. If you want to replace the padding, and just put on a new one, great. But the same process is going to happen. It's not going to protect itself forever. It's going to unglue itself in X amount of time being. So I started, destroying my Beats after a year or so, because I've been wearing on a regular, so I tend not to take care of it as much. But you also have a different variety of, per se, covers. I got the cheat meal one, probably picking out the Python, not sure when, but definitely will in the near future. It's roughly $23 too, so if it's not around the same price as replacing the original padding itself, then it's probably a little bit more expensive. But with that being said, they do have sponsors that have a couple bucks to save, on your shipping. So my total came out to be $23. And yeah, I feel like it does it justice. It doesn't block out any music whatsoever. It feels comfortable. If anything, for people that have larger ear like me, and you guys decided to pick the solo because you want to be cheap, well, it actually, in my opinion, it's more comfortable for the ears, alright? It's less straining. And I know for those that have their headphones on for a long period of time and it doesn't fit around your ear, it's pretty painful. Not painful to the point where you're not gonna listen to music, but you're gonna have to take off your headphones after a certain amount of hours and then just let it rest. But with that being said, the couple of cons, if not the only con that I wish, is that they had an opening for where you could charge your Beats, your headphones in general, or where you could plug in the wires. So instead of having it wireless, such as me, you have the wire being able to connect without taking off the cover. That being said, why? Because when yours is messed up as much as or if not hopefully less, it's not the easiest thing to take off and put on, but it's not that hard too. So if they're looking to do a new version, I'm hoping that they're watching my video and they're gonna be open to suggestions such as I am. So yeah, overall, I'm glad I picked up this purchase. Probably not the best colorway, but definitely something I wouldn't mind using. But it definitely got dirty, so that's the bad part, because yeah, got a couple stains here and there. So anyways, I do hope you guys enjoyed this review video. Just throw up a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe on if you ever actually purchased it, and if there's any more cons that I left out, So hopefully you guys check them out, because I feel like it's worth the essential investment. Peace!